So today I'm making a quick video on whether computer science is important in web development or programming. Now, historically, computer science has always been important. Any field that teaches you technical stuff is important in programming, coding. It makes you a better developer, right? So it has always been important. There's no doubt about it. And then slowly, we started hearing conversations that you don't really need computer science degree, you don't need computer science at all to become a programmer. Well, that's because the websites people started to build, they are mostly CRUD operations, and they are APIs, just putting things together. There isn't really a solid algorithm running in the background doing something for most of the website. Most of the websites is just getting the data from the database, manipulating the data a little bit, changing the structure slightly, responding with JSON, and then front end consumes it, displays it, and does what it needs to do. Maybe it interacts with third party services as well in the back end, but that's what most modern websites do. There is websites that do something a little bit more than that, right? That is where you need algorithms, um, and you need to understand how each one of the data structure works. Even to understand some of the services, for example, Redis. How does Redis work? You need to understand data structure. So you need computer science. Now, you don't need to go learn all the modules, but some modules are important, like algorithm, data structure, um, just having good sense of how to process data. So if you are a new developer, maybe you don't need computer science right now. You can just get into web dev, gain some experience, and then learn computer science. And if you're already experienced, then you used to have started to work with a little bit more complicated projects, you will have already seen probably that you do need a little bit of different understanding of things once you get to a certain level. Also, it's not just certain level. You also, if you want to see whether computer science is really used or not, you got to start building certain type of websites, right? Like, for example, build a trading website, okay, where a lot of data is structured in different ways, stored in different ways. It needs to be snappy, really quick. So try to build different type of sites, um, and you will realize that at some point you do need a lot of computer science and a lot of maths as well. So that's one way to grow. But yeah, if you keep building small sites here and there for small businesses, you probably don't need that. But once you start messing around with big data and all that, you will start needing computer science. So anyone who is into web dev, I would recommend you get uh, understanding of algorithms and data structure. These things are used a lot, and it's good to have understanding. So yeah, that's what I think.